Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Power BI Guru. So today we are going to discuss about calendar and CalendarAuto and what is the difference between them. So here we can see that calendar is to create a date table in Power BI. So how we use that? Let's see. So calendar is a function where we pass our start date and end date. So based on that start date and end date, it will generate a table. So let's see how we use CalendarAuto function. So CalendarAuto, here we will give only one parameter, that is fiscal year and month. So if we pass 3, then it will start from next month's means 4. It will start from April and end on March only. So let's see, column order date, and based on its minimum and maximum value it will generate the date table. So let's see how it will use. So we can see here, if we pass the DEX query like CalendarAuto without any fiscal year month number, then it will generate the date from 2022 to 2023. So it will start from 1st of January 2022 and end on 31st of December 2023. So like this, if we give one parameter, that is 3, so it will start from April basically. So if we see April means 25 of May, then it will start from April means 1st of April 2022 and end on March. So March 3 2024. Why 2024 here? Because this 15th of 6 will not come under 2023. So that's why we can give the next value, that is 31st of 3 2024. Like this, if we check 6, so 6 it will come between this one. 6 will be more, like we will start our calendar from 1st of July 2021, because if we start from 1st July 2022, then this will not come into that area. So just to select this date as well, we will start from 2021 and end it on 2023. Like the same, when we pass it to, it will start from March and end on February. So let's see this one. Let's go to our Power BI section. So now we can see here there is one sales data. So sales data, that data is available on this one, means it is starting from 2nd of May. So that we can see the dates here, means what is the minimum date, that is 2nd of May, and what is the latest date, 29th of March 2024. So let's see how it will generate. So we go to modeling and we create a new table. It's working. So table equal to CAL, and we can see here calendar is here. So it will be based on start date. So start date, so we can pass a date, comma, here we can pass year, so it will be 2021, 1, 1. So 2021 1, 1 is a normal string and we want to convert it to dates. That's why we have kept a function as date. So next again, date function again, and here we can give the last date from which till which date we need to create this table. So this will be year 2024, comma, what is the month, that is 12 and 31st. So we can generate the table till 31st of December 2024. Press enter and let's see. So we can see here date table is generated, and what is the starting, 1/1/2021, and what is the end date, we can see here short descending, 31st of 12 2024. One more thing we can see here, means we can pass these values to these visuals, or we can say cards. So how we pass that? So this one is date, this one I have passed here, this is the earliest one, and here again we can pass just to see the minimum maximum value. This one is earliest, we can select from here, means this is latest one, so latest we want to see. So we can see here from which date to which date we have generated our table. So this is from the calendar function. Now we can see the same thing with calendar auto as well. So let's see, let's edit this query as here only, and let's remove this. We can see calendar auto, and here we can see fiscal year and month. So this time we are not giving any fiscal year, so let's see what happens. So as we can see, minimum order date is 2 May 2022. So it has generated the dates from 1st of January 2022 to 2024. So this is the calendar auto function. And we can see now, means if we pass any variable into that function, so how we do that? If we pass what were our examples? So let's see, pass here 4. So it has started from 5th, means May only, and 2nd of May will come in this range only. That's why it has selected from 2022 and to 2024. So here we can see the range, and we can check one more thing. We pass here 5, then what will be the dates? We can see here the month is changed, means if we pass 5, then it will start from 6th month only, and if we start from 6th month, then this 2nd of May is already gone. That's why it has selected the year as 2021 and it is ending on 2024. So this is how our date functions work, like calendar and calendar auto. So we can understand that. Thank you.